Hey guys, welcome back to Minute Mondays. And so today I'm going to bring you a little bit something else different. This is also dealing with the cheeks like I did with last week. And last week we went in with the lipstick as blusher, so if you want to go check out that video, go ahead and click on the description box below. But today we're going to go ahead and talk about glass skin. A lot of people have been all over about it, wanting that glow, the highlight, the beauty, the dewiness, you know? And so today I'm going to go ahead and bring in with you two products that I love to use for something that's like this. Now, this is the one that I use all the time. It's called their Makeup Face Gloss. This one is clear, so if I go ahead and open it up for you and squeeze it out, honestly, you need like the tiniest little bit, like you can see it's just clear. It looks like a gloss. So you can use a lip gloss too if you have a clear lip gloss. Otherwise, you can go ahead and use a lip balm. The one I have right now is the Avene Cold Cream Balm. This one is white, so you can see that. I'm gonna just go ahead and grab it with my fingers. Like I said, fingers are always best friends when it comes to makeup. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the high points of my face, and this will go ahead and leave that like slightly glowy, dewy look to your face. You can do this without makeup or with makeup on. And if you see, this side is kind of on that matter end, and then this side has now a nice little glow. You can put it on your eyes if you want, so put a little bit there to add that little bit of shine and shimmer. You can put some on top of your eyebrow to get that extra little bit of glow. Doesn't look very different on my face because I'm getting kind of washed out by the light that's in front of me. But it does definitely add a little bit of glow. You can always add in like a shimmer eyeshadow, sprinkle it in, zhuzh it around, go boom boom, and then you're good. That was pretty much it for today's Minute Makeup. Did I say Minute? Oh, Minute Mondays, my bad. Minute Mondays, where I share with you tips and tricks. And so I will go ahead and see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.